All right, everyone, so today we have something super special today. As you can see, there is so much happening behind me. We are here at Comic Con for the first time. I don't know what to expect. I've never been here before, but let's find out what Comic Con is all about. Let's go. Here to drop a couple facts about Comic Con. So nearest station from here is Custom House. Tickets are online. They come out like at least 2-3 months beforehand. So obviously get your tickets early, because today, for an example, this Saturday is fully sold out. There's something massive that's going on here. It's not just, you know, cosplaying and checking things out. You know, there's so much more to do here. There's merch you can buy. There's games you can play. There's swords you can even buy. The fact that you can buy 78 swords is crazy. Everything about this place is good vibes. People are friendly. People are happy. People want to take pictures with you. Everyone's just here to have a good time. So we're gonna go around a bit more just to check it out and stuff like that. But like, this is only a scratch on the surface. So let's continue.
We are here with the celebrity of the moment right now. Introduce yourself, big man.
My name is Banu.
Yeah.
I'm dressed as Madara Uchiha from Naruto Shippuden.
How long did it take you to make this?
Around 8 hours in total,
8 hours, yeah.
So a few days, spread out, yeah, man.
And you're going here for the whole 3 days, yeah? Friday, Saturday and Sunday?
But yeah, definitely.
What's been the highlight for you?
The cosplays, without a doubt, man. Cosplays. The amount of people cosplaying, the amount of effort people put into it, yeah, it's nice, it's nice.
Like I said, normal is overrated, all right? Celebrity of the season, at him right now. If you see him, take a picture. Also, if you know who I am, comment on the list, on the comments down below, because I look like a divorced dad of 3, have a mortgage payment that's overdue. Anyway, on to the next person, let's go.
What's going on, fam? It's your boy Alpha Kings 123, man. Anyways, listen, yeah, I've taken over the channel now. This is my channel. This is my channel now. We have 3 men abroad here.
Yo.
Yeah? These man are YouTubers as well, you get me? So obviously go subscribe to them and do all of that. Go show them some love. I'm about to ask you some MCU questions. How's your MCU knowledge?
I'd say it's all right.
On and off, on and off.
On and off. I'm gonna need it to be on, my guy. You hear me? All right.
Let's go, let's go.
Who saved Tony Stark and Nebula from space? Which hero did that?
Captain Marvel.
All right, correct, all right, yeah, that's one. Scott Lang was trapped in the quantum realm for how long?
5 minutes.
Oh, details.
I think so.
To be fair,
No, like 5 hours.
All right, I was about to correct my man.
It gave you a second chance.
It really did, yeah.
No, but you got the question correct anyway. That's perfect. Who was the firstborn child of Odin?
Of Odin, Hela.
Woo! These men are almost on the same level as me. Obviously, edit out the parts that, you know, I got wrong in it, yeah? Calm. You good, cuz? Man, I'll beat his ass right now, cuz. Oh, easy one. Who's the Winter Soldier?
Bucky Barnes.
Dang. I'm gonna need you to start. I need you to answer this last one. You have to. This is the last question. This is the last question. So I'm gonna need you to answer this one. Yeah. What's the name of the amulet that Doctor Strange wears around his neck?
Oh shit.
It's the Eye of Agamotto. Yeah. But in any case, yeah, you man answered 4 out of 5 correctly. So So you guys do win a prize. Anyways, here you guys go, your key change. But thank you so much for participating, man.
Appreciate that, my guy. How you guys finding Comic Con?
Busy.
Yeah.
It's
Such a good day.
It really
First time?
is.
No.
Second
old
for
school.
me,
Okay.
but he's a pro.
I'm a pro.
Oh, pro. How many times you been to Comic Con?
Lost count, man.
Lost
count.
In this country or like all over the world?
All over. Canada, England,
Oh,
America, Spain.
Wow. Okay.
But
How would
if
you
you-
compare this one to like all the others that you've been to?
MCN's my hometown. This is my favourite.
That's nice. I'm guessing you guys have had like a lot of pictures like taken and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
today we have
Because the cosplayers, they just slap right now. Yeah.
And yourself.
Oh, this is just easy. I just put the coat on and just going about with my day. Yeah.
You know, when you come to Comic Con more and more, and then you start getting more and more into it, it just pulls you in deeper. And
Oh,
then
man.
Then you put
It's
more
the
effort
sinkhole,
in,
yeah?
You put
Yeah,
more
it
effort
is.
into your outfits, and you choose different characters, and before you know it, you're sucked in deep, and there is no coming back. Once a cosplayer, always a cosplayer.
That's sick. All right, guys. You have a good day.
You too, thank you.
That was Thor and Loki.
How are you finding Comic Con so far?
I'm loving it. This is actually my first Comic Con.
Yeah?
Yeah.
First impressions?
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Lovely, friendly place. Everyone's so nice and polite.
Yeah.
It's also great seeing all the creativity on display. Obviously, everyone looks so good.
Exactly.
Everyone's like so much effort has clearly gone into all of these cosplays.
Talk to me about your outfit though. It's looking fire to say the least, man.
Thank you. This is Starscourge Radahn from Elden Ring. He's a 30-foot tall god who rides a very small horse, who unfortunately I couldn't get because there's a bit of comic relief in that.
Fair play. Shout out your socials.
My Twitter is at @UltorYT.
Yep.
My Twitch is Ultor Plays, where I do a lot of Elden Ring and From Software challenge runs.
That's awesome. Give that a follow. Peace. And that, guys, was Comic Con 2022. We had an absolute blast, and they're actually back in October, so we might actually check it out. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and smash the notification bell, and comment down below any other videos you'd love to see, and we will make it happen. All right, you know what time it is. Free Man Abroad out, and peace.